We are going to start Unit 5. Unit 5, yeah, you may open the books, page I think 34, yeah, 34. But before that, we are 17, am I right here? 17, yeah. Just, yeah, all are present. And just I will give you the papers. What are they? These are pictures. Look at this one. And the topic is our changing world. And the grammar structure is here, going to will, and may, and might, and could. Yes, you know them. But we are going to practice in this unit. And I will divide you into 4 groups. Okay. Each group will try to make the sentences or your ideas. What is that? Look at it. And it's written on the book, of course. The scientists predict that global warming. This is our topic unit. This unit topic. Global warming and pollution will change our world forever. And just you look at these pictures. And from your books, there are some pictures too. Not only global warming, pollution too. Okay? Just take please this one. And you are 3. Yeah, you are 4. You are 5. Sorry, you are 5. Altogether, you will work. Okay? And take this paper, please. And you are 4. You will try to give your ideas. And you will try to work on these pictures. And these pictures too, please. Take it. Try to write down there your ideas. What will happen in the future? And what changes? What do you think will happen in the future? Yeah, what do you think? What do you think in the future will happen? You may take. You can come. Yeah, you may take this chair. Yes, join this group, please. Yeah, in the future. Yeah, you see the factories here? They make the gas, do you see? And air pollution, you see? Not on the global, yeah.
There was crash here.
Crash. And you can look at the photos and pictures in this one, please. You can get some information. Yeah, we will see on the screen. You have only 2 minutes, okay? In 2 minutes, your ideas, 2 or 3 ideas, that's enough. 2 or 3 ideas, that's enough. Yeah, what will happen in the future? The scientists. Yeah, this our unit, our grammar part, and will. In the future, what do you think will happen in the future? Yeah, you see on the other side there are some new vocabularies. You can use them. Protect the air. Take fresh air.
This device. Name of this device.
Mask you can say, yeah, mask. Yeah, gas mask, yeah. Yeah, all people use masks here. Do you see? These are nuclear weapons against, maybe. Okay, already. Group by group, just we will talk about 2 or 3. That's enough. Yeah, what do you think? Group 1. Group 1. Which group is this? This group. And could you share your ideas, your opinion, your ideas to your classmates? What? 2 or 3. That's enough. 2 or 3. That's enough. Wait a minute. Just you will listen. And the others, please.
Yeah.
The other classmates. Listen to your friends, please. Yeah. Please, could you tell us what will happen in the future according to your pictures? Yes, please. Comes in. What do you think?
Teacher, about first picture, every plant is going to die because of thirsty.
Mm-hmm.
About
Thursday, no water.
no
Yeah.
water,
Mm-hmm.
About second picture, lakes and sea are going to dry.
Mm-hmm.
And about fourth, trees will fall down. And,
Yeah, according to these pictures. Yeah.
yes.
No water
No water.
and
No plants.
this is a lake, something. Yeah. Some place. This earth divided into pieces. Yeah.
There is no something for eating. Yes.
Yeah. People cannot find to eat. Yeah. For all the animals, they are going to hunt the animals. Yeah. You cannot see they cannot grow the wheat, for example, in the field. Yeah.
Because of the down trees, there are no oxygen and
Yeah. Cut down the trees.
and
Cut the trees. Destroy the forests.
Yes.
Okay.
Destroy environment.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. This second group, please.
Yeah.
Which group? Just we will see the pictures. Who has these pictures? This is pollution, I think.
Yeah.
Which group?
No. It's not one. It's not.
This is your group? Yeah. Okay. Please share your ideas. What do you think will happen according to the pollution?
Our topic is about water pollution, you see in the picture, and what causes it. We think industry, and oil and trash can be reason, and it is about big cities and crowded areas, and some factories run into chemical stuff into the sea or river, and this chemical stuff change classification of sea animals.
And the rivers will carry the trash, chemical water maybe into the seas. Yeah. And what about the sea animals?
And there are maybe some changes, genetical.
Yeah, genetic. Yes, that's correct. You see, it is not normal fish. Yeah, it has two divided maybe two eyes. And they are going to die maybe. Okay, they will die too. Okay, what about the third one? Third group. Who has these pictures? You? Okay. Go on, please. Yeah, you see the pictures here. Just share your ideas to your classmates.
We can say it for Azerbaijan, but in most European and developed countries. We can say there are many fabrics in cities. It's very difficult to breathing in this cities. So they build them.
Polluted air, yeah? Polluted
Yes.
air.
They build in places where there aren't many people, because in this air people can't breathe, and they take many disease from this air.
Yeah, especially in the cities, big cities, yeah?
Yes, but people are increasing, so they must build it in big cities. In big cities also, in future, almost people will walk with masks.
Yeah, possible. Okay, number 4. Thank you very much for your answering. Okay, the last pictures you see. Yes, please. Your group. What's your ideas?
We want to say something about generally. These are results of global warming. The weather are so warm. That's why everywhere is down of water. Everywhere is down of water. It will be mortal for humanity. And when our children will ask, what did you do in the past? We can't answer this question.
What do you think, Kenan? What's your opinion? What's your idea?
The last sentence was my opinion.
Yeah. And the ice polar ice will melt. And the result?
New York is also.
Yeah, not only New York, of course, the other cities can be under the water, of course, yeah, because the sea level will be high, and the small islands will disappear, small islands especially, and maybe in the future, the map of the world or the borders of the countries will change.
And
Yeah?
teachers, everything happened because of a change in the environment.
Also,
Mhm.
locations of
Also?
mathematics. Location of mathematics will change.
Okay, thanks a lot. And just look at the book, please. And just we are going to thank you for your ideas. Yes, what are we going to do? Things our grandchildren may never see. What? What is that? Making predictions. Just we are going to listen. But before that, just we will see the questions on the screen. Okay? We will see the questions. And while we are listening, you will try to make the answers. Yeah, this couple are talking about they are having a baby, first baby, but they are talking about the future, and they are worried. Who is worried? Of course, mother is worried. Okay, just you listen. But before that, just there are 5 questions. Read them, please, quickly, and you can see on your books too. Yeah, these are written on your books. And just listen and try to catch the answers.
Unit 5, Track 2. Hannah and Dan are expecting their first baby. They're looking at the photos in the newspaper. Listen to their conversation. Answer the questions.
Do you ever worry about what the world will be like when our grandchildren grow up?
Hold on. We haven't had our baby yet. I'm not thinking about grandchildren.
I know, but having a baby makes me wonder. What will the world be like when he or she grows up? Look at these pictures. Don't they make you worry about what could happen in the future?
Okay. Of course things are going to change a lot in the next 100 years, even in the next 50, but...
I know, and I'm getting worried. Everyone says global warming is a fact nowadays. No one says it may get warmer or it might get warmer anymore. Scientists say that it definitely will get warmer. It's going to be a very different world for our children and grandchildren.
Look, Hannah, it's no good worrying. Not all scientists think the same.
Yes, I know, but most do. It says here over 2,500 climate scientists agree. They say temperatures might rise by up to 39 degrees Fahrenheit before the end of the century. Dan, this is the world our son or daughter is going to grow up in.
Hannah, you have to take it easy. You're having a baby soon, and...
I can't help being worried. If the Arctic ice melts, there'll be floods, and the polar bears will have nowhere to live. Oh, and look at this.
Come on, Hannah. Look here. It also says humans are clever enough to find solutions. We'll do our part, and we'll bring up our baby to do the same. Every little bit helps.
Okay, but maybe it won't help. It may be too late already.
Yeah, you listen to the tape script from. And what is Hannah worried about? What do you think?
Hannah was worried about his next future child. And she said that I'm worried because our grandchildren will be in a bad condition in the future. But Dan, who is his husband, said that you have to take it easy, everything, because
Yeah, you have to take it easy.
we don't care about our grandchildren because it is ahead of our time.
Okay. Anybody else you would like to add?
And everybody says global warming facts in our life. She's worried about it.
She's worried about it. What do you think? Are there any additional? Do you have any idea?
I would say same. She wants to say people must be carrying on this problem.
Okay. Why is Dan surprised? Yeah, he's surprised. Why?
He said we have no baby and you think about your friend.
Yeah, for our future, yes. And what do the scientists say about the future? Yes, Safta?
They say about in future about condition. They say that condition will be pretty bad than it, and so Hannah talks about it.
Scientists say.
Scientists say that our
Thank you.
environment getting too warm and not real and going to warm. It's exactly like that, and she worried about it.
But some scientists say different. What do they say?
The weather will get warmer.
One more.
Or might get warmer anymore.
Yes, might get warmer and
Yeah.
might get. Yes, might get. Not will get, might get. Okay. What is the next? So look at it. What examples of global warming does Hannah mention? Hannah mentioned.
Hannah says that if ice melts, the ice polar bears cannot live.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Anybody else would like to add?
Scientists also say that it will definitely get warmer, and they also say that scientists say that the temperature might rise up to 39 Fahrenheit.
Okay. How does Dan try to reassure Hannah? And what does he say?
He says that people are clever enough and they can solve this problem.
Solve the problem. They can get the solution for the problems. Yeah.
And you have to take it easy.
Yeah, you have to take it easy. Don't worry about it. Don't worry too much. Yeah, don't care about it. Yeah. You are having a baby. Yeah, it will be. Yeah, it can be difficult. Could be difficult. Could be. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Next step. What is it? We are going to fill in the blanks. We have listened to text. Yeah. We can listen again and fill in the blanks. Just you see. While you are listening, we can listen again. This one. Try to put them into the spaces or blanks.
Unit 5, Track 2. Hannah and Dan are expecting their first baby. They're looking at the photos in the newspaper. Listen to their conversation. Answer the questions.
Do you ever worry about what the world will be like when our grandchildren grow up?
Hold on. We haven't had our baby yet. I'm not thinking about grandchildren.
I know, but having a baby makes me wonder, what will the world be like when he or she grows up? Look at these pictures. Don't they make you worry about what could happen in the future?
Okay. Of course things are going to change a lot in the next 100 years, even in the next 50, but...
I know, and I'm getting worried. Everyone says global warming is a fact nowadays. No one says it may get warmer or it might get warmer anymore. Scientists say that it definitely will get warmer. It's going to be a very different world for our children and grandchildren.
Look, Hannah, it's no good worrying. Not all scientists think the same.
Yes, I know, but most do. It says here over 2,500 climate scientists agree. They say temperatures might rise by up to 39 degrees Fahrenheit before the end of the century. Dan, this is the world our son or daughter is going to grow up in.
Hannah, you have to take it easy. You're having a baby soon, and...
I can't help being worried. If the Arctic ice melts, there'll be floods, and the polar bears will have nowhere to live. Oh, and look at this.
Come on, Hannah. Look here. It also says humans are clever enough to find solutions. We'll do our part, and we'll bring up our baby to do the same. Every little bit helps.
Okay, but maybe it won't help. It may be too late already.
Okay, yeah, you listened 2 times. What is the first one? What do you think? Have you completed this?
What will the world be?
Of course, that's correct.
Unit 5.
Yeah. What will the world be like? What is the second? Don't they? And what could happen in the future? That's correct. And of course, things are going to things change are going to. That is correct. And no one says may and might. How many percentage this one? 15 or 20? Sure, you are sure? Less sure or more sure?
Less sure.
Less sure. Correct. Okay. And may and might. Scientists say that it definitely, yes, definitely will get warmer. They say temperatures. Good. Fahrenheit, might. And in the future, this intention or prediction or arrangement?
Intention, not intention.
Is it intention? Are you sure? Huh? Arrangement, yes. We are having, it's clear that we are having very soon a baby. That's correct. Present continuous for the future? Present continuous for the future? Yeah, that's correct. And the next one? Yeah, will. Prediction or which one? Intention? Intention, sure. Prediction in the future, our part. What will we do? Yes, we will do our part. We will play our role. Okay? And the next one, just you see here, look. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, of course it's not going to be here will. Yeah, maybe. Huh? Will not? Yeah, maybe it will not help. It may too late already. Yeah. That's finished. Okay, the grammar structure parts. Of course, it's written on the book again. Which predictions are most sure and which are less sure? What do you think? Look, there are two sentences. Look.
First one is
less sure.
Of course, less sure. And it's going to change. Yeah, most sure. Okay, which two answers to the questions are correct? Look at here. Of course, the which is not. Just we are going to talk about it. And then, can you come on Sunday? To this question. Yeah, which two of them are true? Look, sorry, I can't. Or can't. I'm going to see, and I will see, grandmother. Yes, what do you say? Yeah, I'm seeing, and I'm going to see are correct. Why? Arrangement and intention. Yeah, organize. Yeah, you have some plans to do in your mind. Okay. And why we cannot use for this answer, I will see, grandmother?
Because it's
not organized for the future, and
it's not certain.
It's not? Yeah, of course, not certain, sure. Suddenly you're just talking about.
That moment.
It's not planned.
There's no other plan. That's moment. At that moment, yes.
Suddenly we made a decision.
Good. Suddenly you make a decision, of course. Which of these future forms express intention? You know intention?
Yes.
For the future, you want to do something. And prediction? Prediction. You try to imagine before something happens. Yeah.
It's maybe planning.
Yeah, planning too. Yeah, possible prediction, but you try to imagine something is going to happen.
Yeah.
Okay. And arrangements.
It's clear it will be happen.
Good. It's clear, and you know, and the other person knows that.
You know reason.
Yeah, you have the place, you have the time, you have the person. Okay, you know the person, you know the place. Everything is clear. Yeah, our life will last forever. Which one? Intention, prediction, or arrangement? Prediction. And I'm going to start exercising. Look, next week.
Time is clear. I think it's arrangement.
But for the future, very, huh?
It's planning, I'm going to, and the time clear is arrangement.
But look at it. James at 10, at 11 o'clock in the constitution room.
Second is intention.
Yeah. This is intention, and this is arrangement. Got it? Yeah. Or deeply information. It's written on page 135. You may look up at home. Okay. And what do you think, parts? Look at it. Just I will show you on the screen these questions. The questions are ready here for you, but you will talk with each other. Okay. This is pair work, and you will share with each other your ideas to these questions. Okay. It's very easy, I think. What about? Just you will see. Yeah, working groups, ask question. Yeah, ask question about the future with do you think? Do you think? It starts, the question starts, do you think? For example, Gamze, do you think? What is the first?
Do you think the Earth will
continue to get warmer? You see? It's very easy. Yeah, you see the questions here. All questions are here. Yeah, 8 questions, I think. Just try to speak with each other. Okay? Vice versa, of course. You change the roles. And in 2 minutes, 2 minutes or 3 minutes, that's enough. Okay? Share your ideas. And after that, we are going to listen the tape script here. And just you will see the differences, your ideas, and the answers from the tape script. Okay? Okay? Just try to speak with each other. You can take small notes to your partner's ideas. Yeah, you see the questions here. For example, Fuad, do you think all the ice will melt at the poles? What do you think? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Huh? You see, Sefter, his opinion, this one. And just you ask this question. Do you think the ice will melt at the poles? Share your ideas. Yes, you can use the. Of course, you can use but in your answers you can use will, you can use may, might, could, or will. Okay? You can use them. May continue, might continue, could continue, or will continue. If you are sure, will continue. If you are less sure, yeah, may continue, might continue, or could continue. Could, look, may, might, like this similar, but very little differences between them. For example, 50% or 20% may and might. But could a little more. 40, 45% or 50% you are sure. Yeah, could continue, could melt. But if you are sure, definitely the poles ice will melt. Definitely will melt if you are sure. The last one? Yeah, may and might at the same time. May, of course, the last one. Yeah. And become extinct. What does it mean, become extinct? Disappear. No life. No leave. Yeah. No longer. Yes. Disappear. That's correct. And then people will travel by train. What do you think? Do you think that? Public transportation, because why? The trains take a lot of people in them. Yeah.
Maybe transfer will be decreased in the future.
Yeah. What about the planes then?
Planes, maybe fares, maybe increase the fares.
Okay. Yeah, you share your ideas. Okay. Just you have some ideas in your mind. Just listen, and compare your ideas, and the tape script written here. Okay.
Track 3. Listen and compare your ideas.
Yes, listen and compare.
1.
Do you think the Earth will continue to get warmer?
Listen.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
The more I read about it, the more I think it will. A few years ago, I wasn't so sure.
Yeah, she read a lot.
Do you think all the ice will melt at the poles?
Well, I don't think all the ice will melt, but a lot has melted already.
I don't think all the
Do you know
all the
a
ice.
new island near Greenland has just appeared? They thought it was part of the mainland, but it was just an ice bridge and it melted. It's called Warming Island. A good name, don't you think?
Okay.
3.
Polar bears?
Do you think polar bears will become extinct?
I think they might. They only live in the Arctic. And I read that the ice there has decreased by 14% since the 1970s.
What about the people will
Do you think more people will travel by train?
Definitely.
Definitely.
I think lots more people will choose train travel when they can.
Why?
Especially across Europe.
Across Europe.
Of course, it won't always be possible.
5.
Do you think that air travel will be banned to reduce CO2 emissions?
Yeah.
Well, I think it could become much more expensive to travel by air, but I don't think it'll be banned.
But I don't think it will.
6.
Or it will
Do
be
you
banned.
think new sources of energy will be found?
Yeah.
I hope so. Some people say nuclear energy is the only answer, but I think this could cause more problems. Actually, I like wind farms. They look amazing.
Wind farms.
But I know some people hate them.
7.
And what about the droughts and floods?
Do you think there will be more droughts or floods in the world?
I don't really know. There might be both drought and floods. I think parts of New York City may be flooded, including most of the lower Manhattan shoreline.
8.
Do you think our lifestyles will have to change?
Definitely. They're already changing. We're told all the time to do things like drive smaller cars, use cleaner gas, and recycle our trash. That worries me a lot, the amount of trash we make.
Yeah. This is the last question. What do you think about the last question? Your ideas. Yes.
Of course, our lifestyle will change because we must adapt to the nature. It happened in past. People's lifestyle changed age by age, and it will happen to our children maybe.
Okay. Any ideas? For example, new technologies day by day.
For example, in last century, our life not was like that, and now our life changed. Our father or mother parents' life changed too. Now they use car or dishwasher or
and in short, our lifestyles changes.
Thank you very much.
It depends on the changing of environment, technology, or changing of world.
And does it make our life easier? What do you think?
Yeah,
sometimes. Why sometimes? Does it make it difficult?
Because it's not difficult, but it has some disadvantages for
Disadvantages it has.
In this task, it said that nuclear energy source can be useful for us, but it can be some problems about it.
It could be, yes. Could be. It could have some problems, yeah? Okay. Any ideas, please, then?
For future, people don't read on the books because everything will be changed, electronics. We read that books on newspaper also.
Yeah.
It's
and magazines, yeah? On magazines, okay.
Teacher,
Anybody else? Yes?
I want to add something to her speech. For example, nowadays everyone use the electron e-books, and I think this e-book versus the book, the new book.
Yeah. Okay. Anybody else? Thank you very
and
much.
our teachers do it also.
Yeah.
She said that some people hate wind farms. I can't understand that why some people hate them.
Yeah, this is an important question. Why? What do you think? Why some people hate them? Why? Because this clear energy, yeah? Am I right?
But some people think that it's make ugly our world. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
I think when cars works with electricity, it can be better than oil.
Yeah, I also agree with guys because maybe wind farms fill the locations, and I also think that maybe people say that we will use the oil more than wind because the oil nowadays is the first thing.
Yeah, it makes air pollution.
Yes.
And maybe in 50 years or in 60 years, maybe it will end. It will finish. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So after this last person.
Actually, maybe in future, people will create a factory. They will work with electricity, clear air, and pollution will not be a problem for us.
Yeah, maybe they will solve this problem using the electricity instead of oil or gas. Yeah. Okay, this is the last part discussing grammar part. Yeah, you see, yeah, it's written on the book, of course. You may read on your books. Circle them. Which one is true? Which one is correct? And after that, we will listen, of course, the correct answers. There are grammar structure we need here. Which one is useful or which one is correct? You have to choose according to the questions, for the questions. You understand? I'm finished. Okay, that's okay. All right, if you are ready, just we can answer, or we can choose the correct answers. Have you decided? What do you think? What do you say? The first one. Have you decided about your vacation yet? No, not yet.
We have never been to Costa Rica, so we might go.
Of course. Why? Because not yet. Good. And number two, Khalid?
Are you going
Yeah, there are two. There are two, yes. Are you or will you? Will you?
Are you going?
Wait a minute, Khalid?
Are you going to? No, I'm not. The forecast says might.
Yeah, that's correct.
It will be fine all day.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Are you going to take an umbrella? What's your idea? What's your in your mind? Yeah, I want to know that. Are you going to take this one? Are you going to take your umbrella? No, I'm not. Definitely. Why? Because the forecast says it will. And the next one, number three, Ulker.
Why are you making a list? Because I'm going shopping. You say anything you want.
Okay, that's correct. I'm going shopping. Correct. I'm going shopping. Why? Because the person is making a list. Okay. Yes, Kenan?
Would you like to go out to dinner tonight? Sorry, I'm working late. How about tomorrow night? I will call you.
Okay, I'm working late and I will. Why? Because I'm working late. This is arrangement. Yeah? Yeah, I'm working late. Maybe 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock till. And why we use here, I will call you. Just decide. During the speech, this decision. Okay, number 5 will be?
5. What are you doing to Saturday night?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I may go to friends or she may come here.
Correct. What are you doing? Why? Because Saturday night, future, present continuous, arrangement again, arrangement, and I'm not sure. I might go, or she may come here. She may come here. Kurban, please, could you answer?
Are you doing your job more now? No, I am not. I'm going to look for another one.
Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm going to. What is it? Intention or prediction? Intention. Yes, I want to change my job. Good. Your team is no good. Yes, Father.
Your team is not good. It is 2-0 Brazil.
2-0.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, it's only half time. I think they could still win. Could still.
Could. Why could? That's correct. Why?
Prediction.
No, not prediction. Prediction will. But this person is not sure. Because 2-0.
Yes.
And half time passed. Yeah?
It's not sure.
Yeah, and difficult, of course, Brazil. Because of that, she is not sure. And the last one, yes, Ahmed.
You won't pass your exams next month if you go out every night. I know I'll study harder, I promise.
Yeah. Okay. You will not pass. Why? Because if you go out, why we use here will not? Prediction for the future. I see that you are not working, you are not studying, yeah? And I see that you will not pass your exams. This is my prediction. Okay, and I know, I will study harder. Yes, I will study harder. Listen the answers, please.
Track 4. Listen and check. 1.
Have you decided about your vacation yet?
No, not yet. We've never been to Costa Rica, so we might go there.
2.
Are you going to take an umbrella?
No, I'm not. The forecast says it'll be fine all day.
3,
Why are you making a list?
Because I'm going shopping. Is there anything you want?
4,
Would you like to go out to dinner tonight?
Sorry, I'm working late. How about tomorrow night? I'll call you.
5,
What are you doing Saturday night?
I'm not sure yet. I may go to a friend's, or she may come here.
Because she's not sure.
6,
Are you enjoying your job more now?
No, I'm not. I'm going to look for another one.
7,
Your team's no good. It's 2-0 Brazil.
Come on. It's only halftime. I think they could still win.
They could still win because
8,
she's not sure.
You won't pass your exams next month if you go out every night.
I know. I'll study harder. I promise.
Okay, this is the end of our unit. Your homework is, your homework from your workbook, page 30, 31, and 32. 3 pages. Please for tomorrow, please. 3 pages. Okay, we will check up. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Yeah, okay. Goodbye, everyone. Yes, you may go. Thank you very much.